There are beach houses, and then there is the Mandalay estate, sprawling across 8 lush acres and commanding over 600 linear feet of pristine Long Bay beach in Turks and Caicos. This compound is less of a residence and more of a private coastal kingdom. But beyond its jaw-dropping scale lies an architectural triumph that entirely redefines the concept of Caribbean indoor-outdoor living. At the heart of this award-winning 7-bedroom sanctuary is a brilliant structural centerpiece: water. A striking multi-level pool doesn't just sit outside the house, it physically flows throughout it. Acting as a liquid corridor, the pool weaves past sunken fire pits and cascading water features before spilling into a magnificent infinity edge that bleeds visually into the mesmerizing blues of the Caicos banks. After all, why walk from the living room to the patio when you can simply float? The estate's layout masterfully erases the boundary between the interior and the tropics. An upper-level bar gracefully transitions down to a walk-in wine cellar. Entertaining here is practically mandatory, aided by both a relaxed family kitchen and a professional chef's galley. Dinner is served in a spectacular beachfront pavilion for 12, where the only soundtrack is the gentle lapping of the tide. Privacy is paramount at Mandalay, which explains its status as a fiercely guarded celebrity retreat. The master suite is a secluded sanctuary unto itself, boasting a private outdoor lounge and an open-air shower that lets you bathe under the stars. Even the guest suites are bespoke masterpieces, ensuring your visitors never feel shortchanged. Outside the home's walls, the sleek architecture gives way to curated botanical beauty. A meditative labyrinth garden invites quiet reflection, while the scent of fresh citrus, bananas, and a thriving herb garden permeates the grounds. The property seamlessly marries modern convenience with barefoot island soul. The Mandalay estate is an extraordinary testament to design that doesn't just sit on a landscape, but actively participates in it. It is a masterclass in tropical luxury, a place where the daily grind is replaced by the ebb and flow of the tide, and your toughest decision is whether to take the stairs or the current to dinner.